Grabe, ito yung dessert sa Boracay na talagang binalik-balikan namin. As in, nakatatlong balik yata kami. Gustong-gusto ng kids ko. Ito yung pinaka nami-miss namin. This is Ice Flakes in Boracay. They have two branches in Boracay, one in Station 2 and one sa D-Mall. After all the food we tried in Boracay, Ice Flakes was hands down our favorite. For me, their branch in Station 2 is better. It has a second floor and look at the view sa second floor. Grabe, ang ganda. Swerte ko that time, wala masyadong tao. Maganda rin yung view sa baba, may photo spot pa. They have a lot of flavors pero ang binalik-balikan talaga namin is this mango coconut flavor. This bowl is a winner. Super fine shaved ice that melts in your mouth like snow. Crushed barquillos, mangoes for topping. Enough na yung sweetness niya for me, pero may condensed milk on the side kung gusto nyong sweeter and creamier. Ang bilis ng service nila dito and super friendly ng staff nila. Ito yung pinaka-paborito kong halo-halo currently and I'll go back to Boracay just for this. Ang sarap ng ube flavored shaved ice. Perfect yung toppings niya for me. Legit yung leche flan. Ito naman, sulit to. Sobrang nirequest to sa akin ng kids ko. This is their Japanese matcha shaved ice. Sulit to kasi may jelly, may red beans on the side, and may mochi. Happy sila mag-assemble nung ice flakes bowl nila. If you're looking for the deep matcha flavor, ito yon. Feel na feel mo yung tapang ng matcha tapos nababalance ng condensed milk. My kids were so happy. Sumunod na balik namin, ito pa rin in-order nila. We also tried the banana. Okay din. Meron siyang peanut butter and Oreo. If you're coming to Boracay and can only try one dessert, make it this one.